On holiday, many people like to go shopping. Some people like to find local things to buy as souvenirs. In most cities, you will find tourist shops, and they will sell things from the local region. But be careful, many local things are really made in China. You can ask the shopkeeper, "Excuse me, is this made locally?" When you go shopping, either for souvenirs or for clothes, there are some useful phrases you can learn. If you like something, but you want a different size or color, you can say, "Do you have this in red?" Or, "Do you have this in medium?" In clothes shops, you are allowed to try on the clothes before you buy them. Every clothes shop has a fitting room. You probably want to know the price. It's easy. Just say, "How much is this?" Or, "How much does this cost?" But something that is important to remember is that in English-speaking countries, the price is usually not negotiable. If the person says it costs $4.99, you cannot offer $3. Another interesting thing to remember is that in some places, like the USA, tax is added at the end. This means that the thing you buy will be more expensive than the price you see on the price tag. When you are ready to buy something, you can say, "I'll take this, please." Perhaps you want to give it to somebody as a gift. Many shops offer gift wrapping. You can ask, "Can you gift wrap it?" Or the assistant might ask you, "Would you like me to wrap it as a gift?" When it is time to pay, the assistant will ask you, "Do you want to pay by cash or card?" He or she might ask if you want a gift receipt. This is a special receipt that does not have the price. When you buy a gift for a person who likes nothing, you can give him or her the gift and the gift receipt, and he or she can return to the shop and exchange your gift for something else. The receipt is very important. If you buy something and you don't like it, many shops allow you to return it, but only if you have the receipt. Now, listen to the conversation and answer the questions.